I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you Bushi, know I'm high maintenance.
Okay, what's up, y'all? All right, man, I got something to tell y'all. Don't be mad at me, but I bought 3 different colognes and I didn't even get my package, okay? It's story time. Let me tell y'all what's going on. Cause like, you know what I'm saying, I've been gone for like 2 months, so I'm trying to flood y'all with content. So I was gonna do like 3 more before you buys, but I ordered on FragranceNet and they ain't even sent an order. And let me tell you, I ordered it on FragranceNet and they say it's delivered, like on FedEx, like the tracking numbers say delivered, but like you know what I'm saying, I ain't got it. Cause I wasn't even home when they had delivered it, you know what I'm saying? And I hate that about like packages. I hate that about packages. Like you really never know what time you gonna get your package. Like you know what day, but you never know what time. You know what I'm saying? And like, what if you gotta go to work? What if I gotta work like a 9 to 5? Y'all trying to deliver my package at like 3. I'll be at work and I stay in an apartment building, right? Okay, so let me tell you about how this apartment set up. So the door downstairs is always locked. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even know how FedEx even be getting in here. But like I always look at it like this: if y'all can't get in the door, or y'all come up to my door and y'all knock on it and y'all see I'm not home, take that package back to your warehouse so I ain't gotta lose the package. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I was finna get though? Only like I spent money in this package. Like okay, look, like it was like a $200, $300 package. I had Burberry London. I don't even know what it smelled like. I just bought it for y'all because I wanted to test it out, see what's good. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all know because I love Burberry. Because I got you know what I'm saying, the Burberry touch. So I was gonna get London, you know what I'm saying, see what's good. But you know what I'm saying, that's one I had got. I was also finna get Versace Dylan Blue. You know what I'm saying? That was like $100 something. I couldn't even get that. And I also had Dolce Gabbana, the one extreme, the perfume version. I had that, so I ain't got that version. So that video gonna be delayed, so I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. So I'm gonna drop some other videos probably today too, along with this one. It's Friday, you feel me? So I'm gonna try to like give y'all 2 videos today. I don't know what the second one gonna be about, but this one, I'm just letting y'all know, like, yeah, I'm gonna be delayed on these videos. You ain't gonna get no before you buys right now. And I'm about to start like shipping it to like my friend's house, cause he stay in the house, so I know he ain't gonna lose his packages at his house. But I'm gonna stop shipping it in my building, stop shipping it to my apartment. And what's so crazy, you know, the tracking number say delivered. Like it say it delivered here, like I never got it though. That's the whole thing. So I'm texting FedEx, but FedEx say that it was through FedEx ground, so you got to hit up USPS and the call the postal service. But you know, it's the day after Thanksgiving, so ain't nobody really up, and they act like they don't know what's going on. They saying they delivered it, so it's like, yeah, I'm going through a little stinger right now. You know what I'm talking about? I'm a little upset. So just know it's 3 before you buys coming out. I'm a little delayed, but if I was gonna tell you about your packages, man, if you stay in an apartment building, you might as well go ahead and ship your package somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? To your mama house or something. So don't ship it to your building. You don't want to get your package stolen, like how I just got my package stolen. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for a video I'm gonna do later on today. I'm sorry I can't bring y'all this before you buy, but that's a little update on what the hell going on. And I think I'm gonna actually buy like another shelf, cause like I ain't got enough room. But it's Big Boss. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bling blingy. And I'm out, y'all. All right, y'all, man. I take it back. So I just came in. Package was open. And my cologne's still in here. I think somebody probably opened the package, seen it was mine, and was like, let me leave Big Boss stuff alone. You know what I'm talking about? So review coming for that baby right there. This baby right here. Hold on. That baby right there. Stay tuned, y'all.